Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both devices talking. First, make sure your Moto G60 and the TV or Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. This prevents discovery issues. Once done, open Settings, tap Connected Devices, then Cast, and grant any location or permission prompts so your phone can find receivers. Meanwhile, power the TV or dongle and choose the matching HDMI input. This primes the display to accept the incoming stream. You're now ready to locate the target device and begin the mirror handshake. Next, initiate the mirror from the Moto G60. Swipe down to open Quick Settings, find Screencast or Cast, then tap the device name shown. You may see a confirmation dialog. Accept it. While connected, adjust orientation and volume on your phone to match the display. This ensures content fits the screen. If you prefer, disable notifications or enable Do Not Disturb so alerts do not appear. For apps with their own casting controls, use those to cast a single app instead of the entire screen. To finish, end the session from Quick Settings or tap the cast notification and select Stop. This cleanly releases the connection. If you encounter lag, stuttering, or a black screen, reboot the Moto G60 and your router or the Chromecast. Network congestion often causes issues. Make sure device firmware is updated, check HDMI input if using an adapter, and confirm all casting permissions are granted. If problems persist, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or reduce other streaming traffic to improve stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.